let me feel your love again. Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Sandra and today I'm going to share with you how I've created this sparkly New Year's Eve makeup look. I really like how it turned out because it's not too dramatic but perfect for New Year's Eve and also maybe for Christmas. Yeah, and before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because we are so close to 400 subscribers and it would be amazing if you could help me to reach this goal. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So first I will start with the eyes, and to prime my eyelids I take this liquid camouflage concealer by Catrice. And yeah, I know it's a concealer, but I think it works as well as a normal eyeshadow primer. And I just buff it out, and then I'll set everything in place with this translucent powder sorry, by Rimmel. And as my eyeshadow palette today I'm taking this Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I take this dark brown color here just from my crease, and I just put it into the crease and blend it out with very small circular motions. And really take your time, just take a little bit of the color and then build it up. And then I'm taking this reddish brown color here, and I also apply it into the crease and a little bit onto my eyelid, and then I blend these two brown colors together. And then I'm taking this liquid camouflage concealer again, and I apply it until I would say the half of the eyelid, just to really have a very light color here. And it's something like a cut crease, but not really. It's just a place where I want to put the glitter on afterwards. And I set everything in place with the translucent powder again. And to make this glitter stay in place, I'm taking this NYX glitter glue, and I also applied a little bit onto the places where I've put concealer on. And now we're at the fun part. Now comes the glitter, and I just pack it onto the places where I've put the glitter glue on. And really guys, take a fluffy blending brush. That's so much easier to apply than with a flat brush. And really take your time with glitter, because it can be a little bit messy, but it's totally worth the time and the mess. And now I'm just lining my upper lash line, and then I'm doing a little wing. But you can also skip the wing if you don't have time or you cannot do it. But I think that's a little bit that gives every makeup look a little bit more glam. And for my eyelashes I'm taking this Lash Sensational mascara, and I only apply a little bit because I will use false lashes afterwards. And the lashes are from Sephora, the natural ones. And they're not magnetic lashes, they just work with glue. But I think they look very good and a little bit dramatic, but not too much. And to intensify my waterline a little bit, I'm taking this eyeliner from U-Star, I think. And to highlight my brow bow, I'm taking the highlighting powder from NYX. And I will leave all the names of the products down below in the description box, so you know what I'm using here. And for primer, I'm taking this Essence primer, and I'm really obsessed with this lately because it covers the pores very good, not completely, but it's okay, and it smells so good. And then I'm taking this Perfect Match foundation by L'Oreal, and I just buff it out with this, not Sueva, it's called Real Techniques, yeah, Real Techniques buffer brush. And guys, I can tell you, I've noticed noticed such a huge difference between using a sponge and a brush, because a brush gives you so much more coverage than a sponge. But I don't know, I love sponges more than this brush. But yeah, anyways, now moving on to concealer. I'm taking this Instant Anti-Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline and applied a little bit underneath my eyes in a sort of a triangle shape, and I just blend it out with the sponge here, and also a little bit onto my forehead, my nose and my chin, just to highlight all the places of my face a little bit. And of course I'm setting everything in place with the same Rimmel translucent powder again. And to finish up the eyes, I'm taking a mixture of the two brown colors again, and I just buff it underneath my lower lash line. And of course I want to intensify the eyeshadow look a little bit more, so I'm taking the eyeliner, that's how it's called, and I just buff it a little bit onto the outer parts of the eye. And for the inner parts I'm taking the same glitter glue and the same glitter. And of course a little bit of mascara for my lower lashes. And now moving on to bronzer, here I'm taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I just use a little bit just to bring color back to my face and to define my face a little bit. And for blush I'm taking this Essence Matte Touch Blush, and it's a very neutral and berry blush, so I really like it. It's not extremely visible, but I think that's fine for this look. And of course for highlights I'm taking the same Wet n Wild highlighting powder again, and I just highlight the highest points of my face. And it was such an affordable highlighter, but this glow is insane. It's so beautiful but natural. I really love this highlighting powder. And of course a second layer, because, you know, it's New Year's Eve and it's a sparkly New Year's Eve look. For lips I'm taking this Superstay lipstick. It's a very beautiful dark red color, and I think it fits perfectly to this eyeshadow look. And then I'm just cleaning up the edges. Guys, now you've seen how I've created this makeup look, and I really love how it turned out. And yeah, it's the end of 2019, and I wish you all the best for 2020, an amazing New Year's Eve, and I will see you next year. Bye!